freak out. To react very emotionally or to panic. Example, she totally freaked out when she saw the spider. Blow off. To ignore someone or something, or to not take something seriously. Example, he blew off the meeting and went to the movies instead. Bail out. To leave abruptly or to stop doing something. Example, I'm tired, so I'm going to bail out of the party early. Geek out. To get very excited or enthusiastic about something, especially a niche interest. Example, he geeked out over the new comic book release. Pig out. To eat a lot of food, often in a greedy manner. Example, we pigged out on pizza last night. Zone out. To stop paying attention or to daydream. Example, I zoned out during the lecture and missed what the professor said. Duck out. To leave quickly or sneak away. Example, I'm going to duck out of the meeting early to catch my bus. Screw up. To make a mistake or mess something up. Example, I really screwed up the presentation at work today. Flake out. To cancel plans last minute or fail to follow through. Example, she flaked out on our dinner plans again. Crack out. To laugh a lot or find something very funny. Example, we cracked up at his hilarious joke.